Hi, this video will show you how to adjust camera angles and save perspective in Cool Home. First, let's get familiar with the render view. Here we can see the small window in the upper right. Through the window, we can switch between 2D and 3D views by clicking the button on the top right corner of the small window. You can also stretch to scale it to see everything clear. Alright, now let's see how do we adjust the camera perspective. Here, bottom right side of the window is filled with parameters related to adjusting the camera view. This includes camera height, pitch angle, and field of view. Notice that there is a feature here that is easy to overlook. The camera clipping. Usually it is functional when you are rendering a small room, such as a bathroom. If you cannot see all the composition clearly after you've reached the limit of your field of view, this is where the clipping function comes in. You can check and define how much to be taken out of your view. It works better for small spaces. When the camera is adjusted, you can also use the function of saving the camera's perspective. The saving button is down here. If you save the view before rendering, that will help to save a lot of time in comparing different rendering effects from the same perspective. Here is also a smart angle function. Before trying the smart camera perspective feature, I would suggest you to rename all the room in your project first, because the system will recognize the view based on your definition on the function of each room. Alright, that is how we adjust and save the camera's perspectives in Cool Home. Now you are ready to render. Thank you and see you next time.